Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify 2 over 3 whole to the power negative 3 over 2 is equal to, this can be written as 2 over 3 whole to the power this 1 over 2 whole to the power negative 3. This negative 3 times 1 over 2 is negative 3 over 2 is equal to 2 over 3 to the power half is 2 to the power half over 3 to the power half whole to the power negative 3 is equal to 2 to the power half is square root of 2 over 3 to the power half is square root of 3 whole to the power negative 3 is equal to, this can be written as 1 over square root of 2 over square root of 3 whole to the power 3. According to this law, a to the power negative n is equal to 1 over a to the power n. Is equal to 1 over square root of 2 over square root of 3 whole cube is square root of 2 whole cube over square root of 3 whole cube is equal to 1 over square root of 2 whole cube is square root of 2 whole square times square root of 2 over square root of 3 whole cube is square root of 3 whole square times square root of 3 is equal to 1 over square root of 2 whole square is 2 square root of 2 over square root of 3 whole square is 3 square root of 3 is equal to 1 times, this is 3 square root of 3 over 2 square root of 2 is equal to 3 square root of 3 over 2 square root of 2 is equal to, now if we multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 2, we can write 3 square root of 3 times square root of 2 over 2 square root of 2 times square root of 2 is equal to 3 times square root of 3 times square root over 2 is square root over 3 times 2 over 2 times square root of 2 times square root over 2 is 2 square is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so square root over 6 over 2 times square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain 2 is equal to 3 square root over 6 over 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the simplified form of this expression. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.